Hello friends, my name is Rodiyah, and today we are going to learn how to create a number animation in PowerPoint. Now I have actually created one. So here I'm going to start the slideshow, and now if I press next, you're going to see that it's going to do this. It's actually because of a new transition called the where is it? Morph. I used it, but that means if you don't have a version of PowerPoint that is not like that is not like the latest version or something, then I don't think you'll be able to do this. Okay, so now let's start from the beginning. Oops. I'm just going to make a new slide. Okay, now we have a new thing. I think I should just delete most of these. Okay, now I have another new file. So now what I did was that it always shows these rubbish designer things. I don't even need them. I already have some good fonts over here. And also we're not even making any designs. So yes, so now I'm going to write 1, and then press enter, and then write 2, and then 3. No, so yes. So if you want to make this to actually work properly, when you write another number, you have to expand this, and maybe just move it down. Enter 5, enter 6, 7, 8. Okay, I've written 8 numbers, but we're going to need up to 9. Okay, I think I have to expand it more. And then at the end we're going to add 0, and then expand it. Okay, so now we're going to do another step. It's going to be like we're going to set the size to big size. I'm going to set it to the largest because that's the one that's the best. And then just choose choose font. Yes, you don't have to do this font part so that you will not waste your time just scrolling on fonts and thinking that this font is perfect, even though it's not perfect at all. Whatever, let's just stop talking about fonts, and then I'm just going to find the font. Yes, I found a good font. Now I'm going to have to add 2 squares. Yes, they don't have to be squares, but because if you think that the squares are too boring, then you can actually use images instead of squares. But yes, I'm just using squares. And for beginners, I think you should also use the squares, even if you think it's too boring. There's actually nothing boring about these squares. It's just that they're just plain colors. That's because plain colors, they're the most boring things ever. Now I'll copy it and paste it. You know what I did is actually just I pressed Ctrl C and Ctrl V. You probably already know that since we have been using PowerPoint since we were kids. Fine. I don't think you even had computers when you were kids. Anyways, but if you did, then okay, you were probably using PowerPoint. I'm going to bring it to front, and then now we have all of these perfectly aligned zeros that are not perfectly aligned. I'm going to add some spacing Maybe this is too much. I don't know. It's probably not too much. Yes, it's not too much. And now I'm going to add transitions, then click morph. Yes, that morph transition is not actually going to, but why is this thing saying 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 0? Probably because of all of these. So now let's make another slide. And whatever you do not click on new slide, or else this is going to happen. You're going to have to redo everything you have done, and it's probably going to be rubbish. So instead you should click on duplicate slide. Probably already knows this since you've been using PowerPoint for some time, and then you stopped using PowerPoint and used things that are better, like things. Okay, now I'm going to write it. Okay. Oops. I'm supposed to set it to 9. There, that is good. I'm also going to add this morph transition. And now we're going to do slideshow. Then no, not from current slide, from beginning. And now we're going to see this. Yes, I'm just pressing the right arrow key and the left arrow key so that it can keep repeating. You can add more numbers by duplicating it and just moving it more. 7, and any other number you want. Maybe you can just make a gibberish number just for a test, or to sing to your numbers, like break the numbers in half, or okay. Now we're going to click it again. Oh yes, I forgot I have touch screen. And now we'll have this very beautiful animation. Yes, you can tell that it's very beautiful. Okay, that is the end of today's video. Make sure to like and subscribe and hit the bell. Bye. Right.